Let's now take a look at non-profit Save Indian Farmers. The organization helps support the plight of Indian farmers and addresses issues affecting the high suicide rate among farmers in India. Save Indian Farmers also helps families of these suicide victims by funding sustainable means of livelihood and projects for them. This non-profit has been putting efforts towards the ongoing protests of Indian farmers since it started last year in India and now is also focused on the COVID-19 crisis ravaging the country. On that, their recent effort brought together a plant sale fundraiser to raise awareness and donations for the pandemic relief in India and projects of Save Indian Farmers. Here's a story coming in from New Jersey.
Hi, my name is Teju and I am a volunteer with Save Indian Farmers. As you may know, Save Indian Farmers is a non-profit organization working for last almost 10 years for farmers' issues in India. This time we have this special event. Today is Mother's Day plant sale event, and this event is actually focusing on COVID-19 crisis which are right now happening in India. So for that relief, especially in the Bundelkhand area where we have been working for last 5 years. So Parmarth Samaj Sevi Sansthan is one of our partner NGO in Bundelkhand. We are helping them for a makeshift hospital to provide the oxygen concentrator, whatever we get the funds from this sale actually. So I have Ajit Joshi here. Ajit is also one of the volunteers of Save Indian Farmers, and Ajit being a avid gardener, it was he guided all of us, the volunteers. So Ajit, would you like to talk something about the plant sale?
I think this was the first time that we tried the plant sale. For the first time, I'm quite happy. Thankfully, the weather gods were happy with us as well. So most of the volunteers grew the plants at home, and it's been a fabulous experience.
And again, we want to thank all our supporters, all the people who came. In fact, we sold plants very fast. We didn't expect that. And of course, Ajay did said the weather. I also want to thank Anandi here because Dawn to Dusk is the facility which Anandi will talk more about it. But they are our partners today. So this is their land, I would say, their yard where we could held this event. And thank you again to Dawn to Dusk, and thanks for all our supporters. And Anandi will talk more about Dawn to Dusk to you.
Hi, everybody. I'm Anandi, and I'm really, really happy. I really think that this is a community space, and I'm so glad that we could do this fundraiser here. We're really fortunate, beautiful day, and wonderful people working for an important cause. Dawn to Dusk Wellbeing Center is located in Dayton, New Jersey. We are a center that offers a day program, a day rehabilitation program for adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities. We have a beautiful center in here, and we're very happy to announce that we are opening our in-person programming in 10 days, May 17th. So thank you, Save Indian Farmers, for just doing the inaugural opening in a way, and what a wonderful way to do it. We already have a lot of participants from our virtual program, so we look forward to serving more individuals in New Jersey. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at info@dawntoduskwellbeing.com. You can also search more about us at www.dawntoduskwellbeing.com. Thank you so much, and thank you, Save Indian Farmers.
I'm Susan.
I'm Mark.
We're from Philadelphia. We came for something else and we just saw the plants, and we love plants, and it's for a very good cause, and it's really impressive that you all are doing this. Thank you so much for helping folks.
Great plants.
My name is Anika, and I had a really great time volunteering here, selling these plants for a really great cause and helping the people in need.
Hi, my name is Rishta, and I'm so glad to be a part of helping to save Indian farmers, and it was a great experience, and there's so many plants here for everybody.